Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the FlipLight. And as I understand it, this thing is supposed to fit in a Zippo lighter case, and it's just an LED flashlight. So, super bright LED, fits in any Zippo style case. I would wager it's any Zippo style case, but it has an asterisk, because some of the Zippos have sort of weird, they have a weird kind of fit where some of them aren't exactly the same size. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. If you're interested in this, I'll include a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. I think it's like 15 bucks. So if you want to carry a Zippo, but you don't want necessarily to have fire from it, and nothing really hard. Anyway, so let's take a look at this thing. So I'm assuming we pull this out, it's right here, to do the battery thing. Yeah, alright. Let's open it, remove this little thing, and close it back. There we go. That's a little more sensible. So closing, we turn this way. It seems like it's closed. Alright. Is that closed? Yeah, that's closed. Okay. So now what we gotta do is we gotta test it out. And I managed to prepare in advance for this lab, and I removed the insert from my Zippo lighter. So we stick this in. Alright, so that right there, when that's pressed in, the light is active. Let's see. Alright, so we stick this in, light comes on. We flip this down, the light's still on. We close this, so when we close it, that goes off. This is just decorative, I guess. So we kind of get the refrigerator effect out of this deal, where when the door's closed, the light is off. Alright. I'm not going to say super bright, but it's sort of, I don't know. It's kind of a cool idea, but I don't know. That's a tough one. I guess it does give you a chance to carry a Zippo if you want, and not have to deal with the whole like lighter issues. So this is pushed in, this lights it up, that turns it off. And this thing does nothing except handles the whole flipping in and out. I don't know. Well, that's not too bad, I guess. It's kind of interesting. It's an interesting gadget for sure. And if you have like a Zippo lighter you want to repurpose, and you don't want to actually carry a lighter, maybe you stop smoking and you just don't want to mess with it anymore, but you like your lighter, you can turn it into a flashlight. Yeah, it's not too bad. What do y'all think? Is it worth it? Or you just want to carry a flashlight? I don't know, that's a tough one. I feel like there's more style with this, at least. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything you think I should take a look at, please let me know down there as well. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.